Thanks to that redesigned and now slimmer profile of the GoPro Hero 8 lens cover, filters you may have previously used will no longer be compatible without an added accessory, although PolarPro have come up with a rather simple yet easy to use solution bundled with the Hero 8 Black Shutter collection. PolarPro filters have always incorporated high-quality optics and have never failed to disappoint. Available for a range of platforms and devices, it was no surprise they developed a solution for GoPro's newest camera, the Hero 8. Inside the attractive packaging, users receive a pouch containing a soft cloth, stickers and a basic user guide, along with the filter package itself. Complete in a tough shell carry case embossed with PolarPro branding, we find a loop in the top corner for attaching to your gear, as well as a nice thick and secure zipper keeping the entire case firmly closed during storage. Cracking open the case, inside we find each of the supplied filters cushioned in place thanks to a foam interior, along with this rather strange looking structure, and it's this that forms the basis of the PolarPro filter kit. With a tough plastic construction, the unit clips securely onto the top corner of the Hero 8 and has been carefully crafted so that both the power buttons as well as the rear screen are easily accessible and are not covered whatsoever. Although what it does provide is this frame around the camera lens, and if we look closely we notice these small metal pieces within each side of the frame. These allow the supplied filters to magnetically attach into place, nice and firm, with no wiggle room whatsoever. In fact, as the frame and the filters are square shaped, there's no fumbling around with orientation either. Just snap on regardless of orientation and you're set to go. And when it comes to the filters, with 16 coated layers helping to reduce flaring and protecting against fingerprints and oils, the PolarPro Shutter Collection Kit is a perfect first step towards capturing cinematic videos, designed to help you get the best quality footage under normal daylight conditions. The 3 neutral density filters in the kit are designed to slow down the camera's shutter speed successively. This restricts the amount of light hitting the camera's sensor, important to capture the high sought-after blur motion which is typical of cinematic footage. With a quick snap on or off design, we can easily switch between filters depending on the shooting scenario. The secure magnets provide a secure connection in high vibration environments too, even in high velocity wind applications of up to 60 miles an hour. Yes, we do add an additional layer of glass in front of the lens, nothing that can be helped due to the GoPro's camera design, but with crystal clarity the filters hold in place firm, yet are easy enough to swap on the fly. No issues there at all. So with the high quality we've come to expect from PolarPro, if you're after a filter solution with minimal fuss, then this is certainly a great place to start. With a functional yet strong adapter, coupled with a set of commonly used ultra-sharp filters that easily snap into place, if you're after a minimalist design, the PolarPro Shutter Collection Kit comes well recommended.